this video, you will understand how TallyPrime Release 5.1 lets you export GSTR-1 data for all periods into one Excel file. This helps you share data with your auditor or tax practitioner to finalize the accounts for a period. You don't need to export it for each month and consolidate it for sending to the auditor. Open the GST return for the required return periods. Press Alt-G and select GSTR-1. Now, press F2 and enter the required period. You can see the return data for the selected period. Press Alt-T and select Current. In the file format, select Excel. Set Export the return in a single file to Yes. And click Export. You can see the newly created Excel file. Each section of GSTR-1 is on a different worksheet. You can see your data for the entire period in the relevant worksheet. As you saw, complete data for the selected period is exported to a single Excel file. Share this Excel sheet with your auditor or tax practitioner. If you have multiple registrations and you want to export data for a single registration, then press F3 and select the required registration and export. You can also export the data for all registrations to the Excel file. Thank you.